Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, you are going to learn how to write uppercase character I. Here we go. I'm putting marker on second line, moving my marker backward like this, and then diagonally go to the first line, then straightly come to the third line, make curve like this, and then move your marker forward like this. Now lift up your marker. Here is uppercase character I. Once again I am writing it. Put your marker on second line. Move your marker backward like this. Then come diagonally on first line. Then come straightly on third line. Make curve. And then move your marker forward. Now pick up your marker. Here is your uppercase character I. Hope all of you have learned it. In next video we will learn next character. Thanks for watching.